If you would like to create a gift card, first visit a product page and add a product. Then select Gift Card. Next, you will need to edit the gift card information. Enter a title for the gift card in the Name field. This name only displays on the Products page, not on the gift card email or PDF. Add details about the gift card to the Description field. Click the Upload Images arrow in the Image field, or drag and drop images from your computer to add an image. You can add multiple images. Gift card values will appear in a drop-down menu on the Product Item page, so customers can select their desired amount. In the Values tab, you can click an amount in the Values column to edit it, click the trash can icon to remove a value, or click the plus icon to add a new value. Click Save and Publish to publish the gift card to your Products page. This sets the gift card as available for purchase. If you're adding a gift card that isn't available for purchase yet, click Save to keep the gift card hidden until you're ready to list it. If you delete or unlist a gift card, recipients can still use previously purchased gift cards. In order to cancel and refund a gift card, visit the Home menu and click Commerce. Then click Orders. Click the gift card order to open the order summary. Then click Cancel Gift Card and click Confirm. Also, it's important to note that refunding a gift card issues a full refund, so it isn't possible to partially refund a gift card. You can also see usage information about the gift cards you've sold within the Orders panel. Just click View Gift Cards. Here, you can see who received the gift card, its initial value, and how much value is remaining. You can also see the last time the gift card was used or the date of sale if it hasn't been used yet. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.